80% of the students miss top universities just because they do not plan early. Don't be one of them. Here's your month-by-month checklist to stay ahead in your study abroad journey. 18 months before deadline, January to June of the year before applying. If you're a year and a half away from applying, you have the biggest advantage, time. And trust me, how you use it can make or break your application. First, academics. Top universities love rigor, so maintain high grades and challenge yourself with APs, IBs and A-levels. Next, the SAT. Please research test dates and start structured preparation. If you're aiming for top colleges, 1500 plus is the goal. Now, shortlist 10 to 15 universities based on location, program and acceptance rate. This will save time later. Extracurriculars. Go for depth and not just breadth. Leadership, volunteering and competition, what sets you apart? And finally, summer programs. Apply for internship, research programs or Harvard pre-college programs. Cannot find one? Start your own impact project. Well, if you're 12 to 17 months away from applying, this is the game time. By this time, you should be taking your first SAT or ACT attempt. Don't wait till the last moment. An early test means time to improve. Now let's talk about universities. Narrow your list to 8 to 10 colleges. Safety, match and reach. CLBS pro tip. Check admission rate, alumni success and scholarship option. If you're struggling here, connect with our experienced destination manager on this number. Next, universities love self-starters. Start a blog, publish research or launch a community project. It will make a huge impact. Also, start building relations with teachers or mentors for strong recommendation letter. They will matter more than you think. And if you're eyeing early decision or early action, research deadlines now. Some are as early as November. Alright, you've taken your first SAT attempt, build your profile and shortlisted colleges. Now we enter a crucial phase, 9 to 11 months before deadlines. This is where research, financial planning and essays take center stage. First, take a deep dive into college requirement, check GPA cutoff, SAT, ACT score range and essay prompts. The more you know now, the smoother your applications will be later. If your first SAT was not competitive, retake it now. Aim for a 100 to 150 point boost. Now let's talk about scholarship and financial aid. Please do research FAFSA, CSS profile and merit-based scholarship. You do not want to leave money on the table. And now, the big one, essays. Start brainstorming your Common App personal statement. Pro tip. The best essays tell a unique story, not just a list of achievement. Finally, don't drop your extracurriculars. College love to see consistency over time, 6 to 8 months before deadlines. By now, your college research is in place and you've tackled the SAT at least once. Now comes the phase that sets strong applicants apart, 6 to 8 months before deadline. First, let's talk about summer planning. This is your last chance to build a strong pre-application profile, finalize internship, research project and summer programs. If you haven't found one, create your own initiative. Now, onto the Common App personal statement. Draft your first version. Please do remember, great essays take multiple revision. And remember, CLBS can help you with the feedback. Your SAT ACT score should be final by now. If you're still unsure, decide if a last retake is worth it. Next, recommendation letters. Ask your teachers or mentors early before they get swamped. CLBS pro tip. Give them a resume to make their job easier. Finally, don't forget campus research. Attend virtual Q&As, info sessions or visit in person if possible. Universities track engagement. Show them that you're interested 3 to 5 months before deadline. Well, the finish line is in sight. With just 3 to 5 months left before deadlines, now is the time to put everything together. Essays, applications, scholarship. First, let's talk about Common App personal statement. By now, it should be polished and compelling. This is your voice in your application. Next, supplemental essays. College asks unique questions like why us or creative prompts. These essays can make or break your application. Please do fill up your Common App profile and don't wait until the last minute. Time for resumes and activities. Keep it clear, 1 page maximum. Focus on impact and not just titles. Now finalize your college list. Make sure it is a balance of safety, match and reach schools. Please don't forget financial aid and scholarship. Universities offer need-based or merit-based aid, but you have to apply on time. Lastly, some colleges like Yale, MIT, Harvard conduct alumni interviews, So start preparing now, 1 to 2 months before deadline. Well, you've made it this far. Now it's time to hit submit. With just 1 to 2 months left, let's make sure everything is perfect before the deadline. First up, early decision and early action deadlines are usually November 1 or November 5. If you're applying early, double check everything before submitting. Next, final review of essays. Get expert feedback from CLBS to refine your Common App on supplemental essays before submitting. Please don't assume your recommendation letters are in. Follow up with your teachers to make sure that they have submitted. For financial aid, FAFSA or CSS profile open on October 1. The sooner you apply, the better your chances for aid. Also, make sure your transcripts are sent. Confirm with your school counselor before it is too late. And if your dream school requires interviews, schedule them now and start preparing. Final month before deadlines. Your applications are in, but you're not done yet. What happens next can make a huge difference in your admission journey. First, do a final review to double check all the details. A small mistake now can cost you later. If you're applying for regular decision, remember, most deadlines are January 1 to 15. Do not miss them. Now it's also the best time for scholarship. Many close in January, please note that. And don't forget to thank your recommenders. A simple email goes a long way. Now it is just waiting game. But that does not mean you stop. Here's what you can do from January to April while your decision rolls in. Post acceptance. Congratulations! If you've received multiple offers, now's the time to make a final decision. Compare offers. Look at financial aid, program rankings, career outcomes. Attend admitted student events. Get a feel for the university before committing. Confirm enrollment and visa process. Deposit deadline May 1st for most schools. Submit the final transcript and document. Ensure everything is in order. Once you've secured your spot, it's time to prepare for your study abroad journey. Admissions are competitive, but with the right strategy, you can stand out. And that's exactly what we do at CLBS. From crafting standout application to building a winning SAT score and securing top scholarship, we guide you at every step. And don't forget to subscribe for more study abroad tips. I'll see you.